How to make money with Chat GPT. Chat GPT, the text-based artificial intelligence model by OpenAI, has gained huge popularity in a quick time. It had 1 million users in just 5 days of launch. The model has been trained with a lot of resources to respond to almost any kind of query. Immediately after its launch, Chat GPT has created buzz all across the globe. The OpenAI's chatbot is massively used by people to seek answer of their questions and pass examinations. Many are even using it to learn cooking recipes and conducting interviews. The multitasking AI chatbot is also seen as a threat to jobs of humans. Apart from its use to attain professional and academic success and satiating curiosity, here are some of the ways to earn money by using Chat GPT. 1. Developing chatbots or virtual assistants. One of the most popular ways to make money with Chat GPT is by developing chatbots or virtual assistants for businesses. Chatbots can be used to improve customer service, sales, or lead generation, and many businesses are willing to pay a premium for these services. You can charge businesses a one-time fee to develop the chatbot, or you can offer ongoing support and maintenance for an additional fee. To develop chatbots with Chat GPT, you can use pre-built frameworks such as Dialogflow or Rasa. These frameworks allow you to train your chatbot to understand natural language and respond to customer inquiries in a conversational way. Additionally, you can also create customized chatbot using the OpenAI API. With the API, you have access to the GPT-3 model, which can understand natural language, generate text, and even perform complex tasks such as language translation, summarization, and question answering. 2. Automated writing. Another way to make money with Chat GPT is by using the model for automated writing tasks. For example, you can use Chat GPT to generate high-quality content for blogs, social media posts, product descriptions, or even news articles. As a writer, you can use the tool to write content in a fraction of the time it would take you to write it manually. You can also use Chat GPT to translate text from one language to another with high accuracy. You can charge businesses or individuals a fee for your services or sell the content to them. Building applications using Chat GPT can also be a profitable way to make money. ChatGPT's natural language understanding capabilities can be used to build a wide range of applications, including language learning applications. Chat GPT can be used to create interactive language learning applications. The model can understand and respond to user input in multiple languages, making it a valuable tool for creating language learning exercises and quizzes. 3. Automated writing assistants. Chat GPT can be used to create writing assistance applications that can help users with tasks such as grammar checking, proofreading, and even writing suggestions. Virtual writing partner. Another application that Chat GPT can be used for is to be used as a virtual writing partner, which can help writers with generating new ideas, providing feedback, and even writing passages. Virtual research assistant. Chat GPT can also be used to create a virtual research assistant, which can help users with tasks such as finding and summarizing information, analyzing data, and even writing reports. To build applications using Chat GPT, you can use pre-built frameworks such as Hugging Face or OpenAI GPT-3 Playground. These frameworks allow you to access the GPT-3 model and start experimenting with different use cases. Additionally, you can also use the OpenAI API to build your own custom application. This way you have more control over the functionality and design. Once your application is ready, you can monetize it by selling it to customers or publishing it on an app store, such as the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. You could also charge users a subscription fee for access to the app or offer in-app purchases for additional features. Additionally, you could also use the app as a marketing tool for your other services or products. Another way to monetize your application is by integrating it with a marketplace platform such as Amazon Web Services, AWS, or Google Cloud Platform, GCP. This allows other businesses to easily access and use your application, and you can charge them for usage or subscription fees. It is important to note that building an application that utilizes Chat GPT requires not only technical skills, but also an understanding of the domain area where the application will be applied. For example, if you're developing a language learning application, you would need not only technical skills but also an expertise in the language domain. Additionally, In order to use the GPT-3 model, you would need access to OpenAI's API, and with that, you would have to abide by OpenAI's terms and conditions. 4. Consulting. Offering consulting services to businesses and organizations that want to use GPT-3 for their projects is another way to make money with Chat GPT. As an expert in the field, you can help these organizations understand the capabilities and limitations of the GPT-3 model and how it can be applied to their specific use case. This could include training on how to use pre-built frameworks, guidance on how to implement GPT-3 in their existing systems, or even helping them with building a custom solution. Additionally, you could also provide ongoing support and maintenance to ensure the smooth functioning of the GPT-3-based solution. These consulting services can be charged on a per-project or hourly basis. 5. Freelancing. Freelancing is another way to make money with Chat GPT by offering your services as a freelancer for various projects related to the model. As a freelancer, you could offer services such as chatbot development, automated writing, or data analysis to clients. By leveraging your skills and expertise in Chat GPT, you can help businesses and organizations improve their customer service, automate their content creation process, or even help them with data analysis. You can charge clients on a project basis or on an hourly rate, depending on the scope and the complexity of the project. One advantage of freelancing is the flexibility it offers. You can work on multiple projects at the same time and get to choose the projects you want to work on, allowing you to choose the work that aligns with your interests and expertise. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.